ce stăm în afară, nu găsesc, adică trage mașinile astea.
Lethal winds strike Eastern Europe, trees fall, roofs shatter, and casualties reported. On April 26, eastern Romania and Moldova were hit by a violent windstorm that quickly turned the region into a disaster zone. Wind speeds surged beyond 100 kilometers per hour in multiple areas, while mountainous regions recorded extreme gusts reaching 110 to 120 kilometers per hour, creating highly dangerous conditions. In Cotnari and Negrești, winds reached 105 kilometers per hour, while in Botoșani and Vaslui the powerful gusts were strong enough to uproot trees and damage buildings. In Vaslui, tragedy struck when a person reportedly lost their life after being trapped under a collapsed roof, destroyed by the storm. In the city of Bălți, fallen trees crushed parked vehicles, while in Suceava, visibility dropped sharply due to flying debris and dust. A major hotel also suffered severe damage after parts of its roof were torn off, triggering a power outage and damaging cars in the parking area. Meteorological authorities issued an orange warning across multiple regions, urging residents to stay indoors and avoid trees, power lines, and unstable structures. Although winds are expected to gradually weaken by evening, conditions remain hazardous and closely monitored. Today, nature unleashed its full and uncontrollable force across the region.